4 advantages of including facial massage into your skincare routine. The advantages of including facial massage and self-care in your skincare routine. 1. Increases lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is the procedure by which wastes and poisons are cleared from the body. Unfortunately, our lymphatic function deteriorates with age, and the best method to improve lymphatic drainage is to incorporate face massage into your skincare regimen. In addition, the general health of your skin will improve due to regular facial massages, which will help stimulate lymphatic drainage in the face, shift toxins out of the cells, detoxify the skin, and encourage skin regeneration. 2. Boosts blood circulation. Toxins can accumulate in our face due to everyday commotion, resulting in puffiness, fine lines, and breakouts. Facial massage increases blood circulation, which helps transport oxygen and nutrition to your skin cells more efficiently. This enhanced motion reduces puffiness, evens skin tone, and flushes out waste and pollutants, keeping your face inside and out fresh and clear. 3. Provides relaxation. In light of our hectic lifestyles, we cannot detach from the constant worry and tension, which can harm our skin. Incorporating facial massage and other forms of self-care into your skincare regimen can provide advantages that go far beyond the face. It relieves emotional and muscular stress and promotes relaxation, making it an excellent decompression method after a long day. 4. Improves muscle tone. There is no denying that most people hold tension in their faces. We typically tense our forehead and eye region when we are overly focused or feeling extremely agitated, which can lead to wrinkles over time. Regular facial massage will help improve the tone and strength of our facial muscles. 5. Appropriate skincare. Route to healthy skin. Incorporating excellent facial care into your everyday routine is the key to having healthy skin. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.